live on FaceTime. Yay! So welcome, FaceTime friends. Welcome to story time. Let's all stand up and let's sing our happy song. Are you happy this morning?
Yes.
All right, I'm happy this morning. Well, if you're happy and you know it, we're going to clap our hands. Can you clap? We're going to stomp our feet. Stomp, stomp. We're going to shout hooray. Hooray! And guess what? At the very end, we're going to do all three. We're going to clap, clap, stomp, stomp. Hooray! All right, I need to hear your voices this morning. Here we go. Well, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Well, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! Now if you're happy and you know it, do all three. Stomp, stomp, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Stomp, stomp, hooray! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do all three. Stomp, stomp, hooray! Good job, friends. Good job. Let's all have a seat. Guess what? We have lots and lots of fun things going on here at the Lee County Library. We have started the summer reading program, and if you have not registered, we encourage you today to register for the program. Only thing you have to do is to create an account on Read Square. Okay, so go to Read Square app. You can put that app on your tablet, your phone, or any device that you have. And you go to leecountylibrary.readsquare.com. And don't forget to pick up a registration goodie bag at the library, at the counter. Okay, so the only way that you can get your goodie bag is to register. Okay, so we want everyone to register for the program. So create an account, and then we want you to keep track of your minutes. And you can do this on Read Square. And the third thing is to complete levels and visit the library and pick up prizes. Okay, we have all kinds of prizes that you can win just for reading. Isn't that fun? Okay, so let me tell you this. So every Monday, we have a craft that you can pick up. On Tuesdays, we have new craft kits. Yeah, and then on Wednesdays, we have the in-person story times here. Thursdays, in person, guess what? We're going to have the animal programs. We're going to have veterinarians to come. We're going to have tomorrow, we're going to have Miss Jamie Osborne from Lee County Parks and Rec to come and to do a fun story time with us about racing reptiles. Well, our theme this year is Tails and Tales. So she's going to tell tales about the racing reptiles. Okay? So we have lots and lots of fun. We're going to have lots and lots of fun, and we have lots and lots of things packed into this brochure. So we ask you to please get a brochure, check out all the cool things, all the wonderful events that we will have going on this summer. And also, we have the virtual online story times, and you can check out all that, and you can find all that information on the brochure. Okay? Well, let's get started, because today is all about farmyard friends. Can you name an animal that's on the farm? Horse. Who said horse? You And what sound does the cow make? Moo. Does anyone know another animal that's on the farm?
Donkey.
A donkey. And what sound does a donkey make?
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. Very good. And can we name one more animal? A chicken. And what sound does the chicken make? All right. Good job. Well, I'm going to start off by reading a book that was written by Margaret Wise Brown, and the pictures are by Felicia Bond. The title of this book is Big Red Barn.
Big red barn.
Big Red, you see that big red barn? That's a big red barn.
It's even bigger than me.
Big Red Barn by Margaret Wise Brown. By the big red barn, in the great green field, there was a pink pig who was learning to squeal. How do you think that pig was squealing? Huh? What sound does a pig make? Oink, oink, oink. There was a great big horse and a very little horse. The big horse and the little horse.
It's the baby.
That's the baby. And on every barn is a weather vane. Of course, a golden flying horse. There was a big pile of hay and a little pile of hay. And that is where the children play. But in this story, the children are away. Only the animals are here today. See the horse, the horses, and the pig. Something is around the barn. Well, the sheep and the donkey, the geese and the goats were making funny noises down in their throats. An old scarecrow was leaning on his hoe, and a field mouse was born. Where was that field mouse born? In a field of corn. In the barn, there was a rooster and a pigeon too, and a big white hen standing on one leg, and under the hen was a quiet egg. There was a bantam rooster and a little bantam hen with a big clutch of eggs. Count them. There are 10. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Moo! Moo! There was a big brown cow and a little brown cow. There was an old black cat. What does the cat say? Meow, meow. And the tiger tomcat, yow, yow. There was a big red dog, bow wow, with some little puppy dogs all around and warm. and they all lived together. They all lived together in the big red barn. And they played all day in the grass and in the hay. When the sun went down in the great green field, the big cow lowed, the little pig squealed, the horses stomped in the sweet warm hay, and the little donkey gave one last bray. What did the donkey say? Good job. The hens were sleeping on their nest. Even the roosters took a rest. The little black bats flew away out of the barn at the end of the day. Flying away. And there they were all night long, sound asleep. Every animal is sleeping. In the big red barn. Good job. Good job. Hey, can we open and shut them? Can we open and shut them? You got your fingers ready? Your hands ready? We're going to open and shut. Here we go. We're going to open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little. Good. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Let's creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Now open up your little mouth. But do not let them in. One more time. One more time. Here we go. Let's open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Let's open, shut them. Open, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Let's creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Now open up your little mouth. But do not let them in. Good job. Good job. Oh, do you know the song, Old MacDonald Had a Farm? I want you to help me with that song. All right. Well, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here, quack, there, quack, everywhere, quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a... What else did he have? A chicken or a rooster. Yeah, a rooster. What did the rooster say? And on that farm he had a rooster. E-I-E-I-O. With a cock-a-doodle here and a cock-a-doodle there. Here, cock-a-doodle, there, cock-a-doodle, everywhere, cock-a-doodle. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a roof, roof here and a roof, roof there. Here, roof there, roof everywhere, roof, roof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a oh my goodness, what is it? A horse! E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh here and a neigh there. Here Here by MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Now he had one more animal on his farm. One more animal. How did you know? It said a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Here oink, there oink, everywhere oink oink. Little MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Good job. Good job, everybody. Okay, let's all stand up. Let's all stand up. And everybody take a scarf. All right, everybody take a scarf. All right. Everybody take a scarf. Here we go. Everybody take a scarf. Thank you. All right, let's all get a scarf.
You're looking for paint, right?
All right, beautiful.
I have red.
Good job. Awesome. All right. Thank you.
All right.
Everyone got a scarf. Do you know what color your scarf is? one time. And then we will sing I-N-G-O. Can you help me do that? All right. Well, there was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Friends, you all are so smart. Okay, I'm turning over the letter I. Great job. How many times are we going to clap? Two. We're going to clap 2 times, and we're going to sing the letters N, G, O. Are you ready? Here we go. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Turning over the letter N. How many times are we going to clap? 3. Good job. We count for every red circle you see that does not have a letter on it. So we're going to clap 3 times, and we're going to sing the letters G, O. Good job. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. All right, turning over the letter G. How many times are we going to clap? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's practice. Sound like I was clapping 5 times. Let's see. Oh. All right. Think we got it? All right. Let's try it. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh. Oh. Oh, and Bingo was his name. Turning over the letter O. How many times are we going to clap? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What letters are we going to say? None, because we don't see any letters. All right, so we're going to clap 5 times. All right, you ready? Here we go. There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. And Bingo was his name. Good job. Good job. Well, boys and girls, oh, and friends, family, this is going to end our story time. So let's all stand up. Thank you all for joining us today. Please, when you go into the library, make sure you check out all things on the display, on our display, our tables. You are allowed to check out those items, okay? All right. And also check out the new books that are being released. All right. So let's wave goodbye. Now is the time to say goodbye. Look how fast the time did fly. Our time is up, so we must say goodbye, goodbye for today. Ho, 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 it's time to go. He,